Y'all, welcome back to another Soul Chance YouTube. Y'all, we got a special unboxing today.
You had the used?
Yeah, I wore them like once.
You had a price in mind for them?
Not really. I just trying to see how much.
Where you got them from?
Had got them from what that bitch called.
Yeah. Shit, we wouldn't be at. We'd be like right under retail on them, like at 150. You ain't had no price in mind?
No, not really. I was just trying to get like an estimate or something.
For sure. Yeah, we'll be at like 150 on them. We can negotiate something, however you much want it from.
Y'all be having the games and shit?
Yeah, we got PS5.
How much PS5s be?
The disc 750.
750.
Yeah.
What's the other one? The digital one?
Yeah, the digital one 650, 700. Just depending on if you paying card or cash. But we ain't got no more digital. We just got one disc.
I bet. I'm gonna try to look and see, cause I was trying to sell them to get a PS5. Somebody had told me a little price, so I'm trying to.
Yeah, they just use. That's all. If they were brand new, you'll be at like $400-500, but they just use. So I wouldn't go resell them for nothing but probably about 180 200 at the most. Make a quick 50 off it, but once they use, they go down.
The price be going down on them. I still got I got these in the 9. I ain't never. How much time probably be for them?
Probably be around the same at these. At the top off, or depending on if they, ain't too bad like these, yeah, about 150. But if they're a little bit dirty, it all depends on how the suit, the condition is. You got the box?
Yeah, all of them in the box. I ain't know.
Yeah.
If I did wear them, I wore them like once or twice.
You ain't had no number in mind for them?
For them?
Yeah.
Really? About 2-3 something.
2-3 something? My highest, I probably could be at, I don't know, probably about 180 at the most, right under 2. But that'll probably be my highest offer.
I bet.
Yeah.
Long time no see. But today, got unboxing. So first box. Open it up. Nike SB, as you can tell in my box. Bought Simpsons. Nice shoe. Size 11.5. Nice shoe. This is from Ruki Saha. Sorry if I mispronounced that, but shout out to you. Which is 2 pairs. That shoe. There would be some mids, light one gray. Yeah, these are hard colorway. I just don't like mids personally, but this is a nice colorway actually. Size 9.5. Next shoe, maybe a winning shoe. Another mid. These are hard. Oh. These are actually fire. Hang at the fur at the top. Size 9W. I want to say that's a 7.5. So I'm not good with that to say. Oh, get that source so good, but I know that. Size 9.5. Cinder or something. These called cinders. Nice colorway. Size 9.5 again. If you know who brought this shoe, comment down below. Out of me, Leonard, or Kelly. Everybody should know who brought this shoe. Only one person will buy this type of shoe. It's okay, I guess. Next package. The last package of the day. Ooh, nice packaging. Love it. The first pair actually down. 8.5. Oh Lord, Jesus, woo, man. Shoe of the year. You hear me, Jackie Robinson? Dunks, oh my god, this shoes, man. If anybody watching the video, I'm one pair, size 9. It's 8.5, but I need a size 9. Personals. Nice. And another thing before I open the next shoe, all these shoes I'm showing you guys, you can find these in stores and online at www.anothersoulchain.com, where we upload inventory 24/7, 25 days. Last pair of the day, 350 boom. Alright, yeah, they're nice. My size. That ain't easy, so I have to use. But yeah, size 9. But I think that'll be it for the unboxing, guys. But comment down below which pair was your favorite from this unboxing. I'm gonna say the Jackie Robinsons. I love that shoe. What's the shoe? But thank you guys. Stay tuned.
Yourself?
Yeah.
What you got?
Oh, some Jordans.
Ooh, what you wanted?
Shit. I don't know.
I don't pass on these. And these kind of, these real dirty. Like pass on these too. Hard to clean the material.
Huh?
Yeah. But come back tomorrow, my partner might buy them. He be buying too.
Alright.
Yeah. Thank you though.
Y'all have a great day.
Alright.
How you doing? She was taking on.
You can buy like 180 or something.
180. That shit look like brand new. I feel like 50.
50.
It's selling for 100. I'm gonna sell it for 100. So I can't pay. Gotta see under there.
That's cool.
50 cool. Can I price of mine for these? Same. I'm gonna buy Nike Jordan. Buy 10. Leave. Let's see. Got about to pass on these. Good, man. Appreciate you.
Whoa.
Dude, I ain't wear these guys.
Oh damn, man! Just Jordans. That. Well, just Jordan retros. That's like team runners. Yeah,
I ain't
yeah.
gonna let go none of my sixes or nothing.
Yeah. We couldn't do too much for that. We only buy those type of Jordans.
Yeah, I feel that. That's what I'm.
Where you got these from?
I've been had. I got it from Foot Action.
Yeah. What you want from?
For all three, I wanted 240.
That's probably all of them for two. All three. I don't want these though.
He's from my little brother. He ain't want to win. I'm taking that first one.
How much you want it from?
So he was trying to get like 150, 175. Something.
Too much.
Huh?
I can't do too much for him.
Look,
Probably 100 the most.
100. Let me call.
They went down a lot when they dropped.
He said he'll go down. I know, I showed him the receipt, you seen it?
Yeah.
He said they dropped since it went down.
Yeah. Price went down.
He said the price went down on
You know.
it.
Appreciate you. Have a good one.
Yeah,